Well, we have some breaking news coming to us in the Delhi hit-and-run horror case where 14 days of judicial custody has been provided for the accused. The court has granted custody for all 6 accused in the Kanjhawala death case. It's the Rohini court which has granted 14 days of judicial custody. Remember, this was the incident that took place. 14 days of judicial custody for the accused who in Delhi on New Year's Eve on the 31st of December had ended up dragging Anjali Singh under their car. I'm joined by my colleague Nilashish live on this broadcast on the phone line. Nilashish, please share more details. What does this mean regarding this hit-and-run case? 14 days judicial custody.
Yes, the accused have now been sent to 14 days judicial custody. What is significant is that the police has informed the court that in these last 4 days that these accused have been in custody, 6 new CCTV footages have been recovered. And as far as the footages are concerned, this for the first time shows that 2 people were getting down from the vehicle. Earlier, they had said that they did not know that a person was stuck under the car. Here in the CCTV footage, it is clear that these 2 people got off the car. They saw the girl being stuck under the car, and then they continued to drive away. Now, the prosecution has also informed the court that the 2 persons who got off the car have in fact been identified, but of course they could not name those individuals at this point in time. Beyond that, of course, the judge did rap the police for delaying the collection of evidence. It was said that you cannot take all this time just to collect the CCTV footages. The questions were asked by the judge as to how long it will take. And the judge, in fact, stated that as far as the evidence collection is concerned, you cannot take so much time to gather evidence. It was questioned as to how long the police can wait for that. However, the police was also saying that the route is long. A number of places were visited by the accused, and therefore it is taking more time. Of course, as far as the court is concerned, the judge was, in fact, concerned about the collection of evidence and that the evidence should not be tampered with before the police, in fact, gathers the same. Now, the accused have been sent to 14 days judicial custody, and the 6th accused, who was nabbed a couple of days ago, in fact, 3 days ago, Ashutosh, his bail plea has also been moved, and the court has sought a reply from the police that was vehemently opposing bail to Ashutosh, and now the matter for the bail specifically will be heard by court tomorrow at 12:30 p.m.
Right, Nilashish, we will wait for that for tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. But regarding this judicial custody particularly, if you can explain to our viewers the nature of this case has, the punishment under Section 201 212 of the IPC is only 3 years for this kind of an incident. But once they are taken into an extended judicial custody, will this change anything in terms of giving the police extra time to gather more evidence? And can this also then be a non-bailable offence at all? Because otherwise, these people can be granted bail on a personal bond of rupees 20,000.
Well, bail bonds, of course, depend on the discretion of the judge. But as far as the judicial custody is concerned, of course, the police has the option of taking custody for about 14 days. As of now, only 7 days police custody has been taken. The police says it does not require them to be in police custody anymore. Therefore, they can be sent to judicial custody. Of course, the aspect of bail comes into the picture because once you are in judicial custody, you say that the investigation is over. The accused are not required to be investigated any further. In that situation, bail can be granted, but the police has clearly stated that their investigation is still on. So as far as the charges that have been leveled against these accused, there are but some of them are non-bailable. These offences are non-bailable in nature. I beg your pardon, are bailable in nature, and that is why bail has been sought in terms of one of the accused. Section 304, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, that is something that has also been leveled, and in that case, it becomes a more serious offense, which is why the police want to continue to investigate and ensure that they have the right to seek custody of these accused if and when they need it further. So as of now, of course, the investigation continues as far as the police is concerned. They also say they have, in fact, examined about 20 witnesses, and their case is something that they're trying to make stronger. And when the time comes, they will file their charge sheet, and accordingly, the charges will be framed as far as the offences are concerned.
Nilashish, well, thank you so much for sharing such a detailed report on this broadcast for our viewers. Thank you for joining us on this broadcast. Now, in the Delhi hit-and-run horror case, the latest updates: 6 accused have been granted 14 days of judicial custody by Delhi's Rohini court.